Lesson 24. Level B1. B1 plus. Present perfect continuous. Since 1. Story 1.
Adam, 45 years old, Poland. I have been trying to fall asleep since 11 p.m., but I can't get comfortable. I've been tossing and turning since 11:15, and I've been getting more and more frustrated with every passing hour. It may sound funny, but I have been counting sheep since midnight. I'm sure you've heard about this method. Well, I don't think it will work for me. I've been focusing on my breathing since about 1 a.m., but it's not working either. My next-door neighbors have been hosting a party in their apartment since 8 p.m., which hasn't been helping me calm down. They have been playing loud music and laughing almost non-stop since 8:30. I've been wondering if I should knock on their door and ask them to turn the music down, but I don't want to be a buzzkill. It's Friday night. I can't ban them from having fun. I probably have to accept that I won't get any sleep tonight.
Story 2.
Stephanie, 37 years old, USA. I've been cleaning the windows in the living room since 9 a.m. It's now almost 11 a.m., and I'm not even halfway done. I would finish much faster if my 2 teenage sons were here to help me. I'm not complaining though. The sun has been shining since 7 a.m., so they have been playing football with their classmates since 8. I'm glad that they're enjoying the nice weather and spending time with their friends. I would ask my husband for help, but he is busy too. He has been mowing the lawn in our backyard since 8:30. I know how much he dislikes doing it, so I appreciate that he woke up earlier than usual to get the job done. His best friend Steve, who lives on the other side of the street, has been standing in the driveway and fixing his car since 9, so at least they can chat while they are both working.
Story 3.
Maria, 30 years old, Portugal. My friend Melania has been waiting for her flight to Amsterdam since 5 a.m. The flight has already been delayed twice, so I can only imagine how annoyed she is right now. She has been queuing to check in her luggage since 6:15. I've been talking to her on FaceTime since 7 to keep her company. I've been whispering not to wake my husband up. I woke up at 6:30, but I didn't want to get up yet. I've been pretending to be asleep to have some time for myself. If my son heard me, he would run into the bedroom and force me to get up and make him breakfast. I know that he has been playing in his room since 7:30 because I can hear him talking to his stuffed animals. It's already 8:30. I'm surprised that playing by himself hasn't bored him yet.
The end of Lesson 24.